Freaking microwave!
Let's go, microwave, buddy.
And there we go! Oh my god! Freaking No. What the hell? This is not a safe spot to be standing, so I'm gonna move over. Log! Oh god! Microwave! And he's still going! Your microwave died! Good job, Noah! Hits it also.
I broke it really bad.
Even more broken microwave.
Oh, Rusty's
Hi, dog. I had to kick it. Oh! You almost took me out!
Wait, no, is this Buster? What? Dog. That's Rusty. I mean, Rusty.
Hi!
Hi, Rusty! Hi, Bubby! What the heck is Shadow?
I don't know. There's Rusty. Doggo. Holy crap! Clean! And then... What the hell is that? Oh god, Noah.
I'm trying to strap it to itself. Come over here.
This is not gonna go well.
There's a cricket on the floor.
Cricket? A cricket?
Spider.
Oh, a spider. Okay. Well, now I know why you did that, because I freaking hate spiders. I keep putting my phone down because I'm an idiot. And it's gone! And it's gone! And it's gone! And it's freaking gone! No, you left it behind! My voice just hates me.
Rusty, come here!
I kicked it. Daggo!
Damn it.
What? Yes. Wow!
Dog goes.
Rusty and Shadow.
Shadow!
Shadow, you dumb dog! Oh god. This is not gonna end good.
Hell yeah. I promise that.
There's a dog still over there. Hello.
Oh, no, you're about to hear now.
Where did the other bungee cord go? Bungee cord!
Shadow!
Here.
Are you family friendly?
No!
Shadow, cut your shit.
Shadow! Idiot! I want to kill a dog. Not literally. Not literally. But like... Oh. Microwave and that thing. That looks safe. And hey, we're never safe on this channel. I already did that earlier. Frick you. Why?
No, thank you. I don't want to be perfect. Almost.
No, you failed. Doggo! No, the microwave!
Yes. Hug.
I'm free. What are you doing? No! Oh my God! Oh God!
I'm better at recording!
No, you're not!
Oh God!
I crushed it. I just inhaled my hair. She stole my phone, now she's recording. Basket stores.
My doggo children.
I found a piece in the microwave.
Oh hell yeah, man.
Basket stores. You missed. Get off my microwave.
Oh. I gotta get demonetized for this.
Shut up, get the hell off Rusty.
I'm not a big
He's not
enough
even a
channel.
girl.
They're gay. It's a gay couple. Gay brothers?
Video's on biting tail.
Shadow, stop it.
Quit being a dingus.
Shadow, come here. Shadow.
Wood. Hurry. I guess I'm a new camera person. The camera person is being replaced. What the frick are you doing?
Shadow, don't do it.
My old camera person is currently being replaced by.
What the?
What?
It's a gay couple.
Doggo!
It's a gay couple, guys. Just like Devin and his cameraman.
What the hell?
They call me a fucking man.
No, I didn't. I said you replaced my. Wow! Are you trying to kill me? I think a lot of people are trying to kill me. How long has it been going for?
8 and 21 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, well, what's this? A gay couple.
I usually stop my videos at like 10 minutes on there, sometimes longer, but.
Well, guess what? You're gonna go until it tells you the limit, so you're going until that.
Oh, 14 minutes or something like that?
Yeah. I'll go.
Well, now you better hurry up.
Stop it! You freaking dogs! Get off him! Oh my God.
He's just gonna kill Shadow.
Off in the distance, you can see the gay couple.
As it says about throwing stuff around.
I was pointing out the fact that he's under 16 and he's not even wearing a helmet. That's the legit what I was pointing out.
That's funny. Yes!
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Killing each other. No, Alexis, hey!
Don't say my name, bitch.
Oh, I don't care. I remember.
Good point.
Channel knows. I remember this now. Stupid hills.
So I punched out your cameraman. Now he's taking over your camera. Just saying.
I don't have. Dude, you're really bad at recording.
No, I'm not. Hey, stop it! Yeah, I give up on dogs. Hey, 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 hey.
Got the microwave.
You don't want to break up a dog fight.
No, you really don't. Also, I'm gonna try that.
Hey, get off each other.
A bit right.
Hey,
Yes,
hey, you.
hi.
You.
I'm
Get
not
away
petting
from
you
me.
because you're
Hi,
really
Rusty. Rusty and you.
Rusty and
Shadow.
Shadow. Oh my God! Hi. Why do you like hold the phone down like this? This will be the second video of me not doing my intro. Hurry, why so close?
You should
Stop.
do your intro. You should do your intro.
Well, that'd be useless. This is like almost the end of the video. How long does this have?
11:07.
Okay.
Just gotta.
That's fine.
I'm so tempted to.
I mean, I could do my intro, but...
I know it. How would you feel if I rode this route? Yeah, probably. Probably not me. So. This is what we do to the feral cats.
Look how dirty it is. Oh, sorry.
Damn. You gonna do your fucking outro or something?
I don't know, how long do I have is there left?
Well, it's 23 minutes. Yeah, you got, and it's like 12:23 right now.
Oh, well, I could do my outro, but like, it's like, why so close to my face?
Fucking.
Ah!
Do your motherfucking outro.
Okay, well, back up a little bit. Wait. I forgot my outro.
Do it.
Wait, I forgot my outro.
Well, this will do it for this video, guys. There's definitely not dog banging in the background. That you can see it clearly, like behind you. Shadow, Rusty, stop it!
Okay, what is it for this video?
Shadow, stop fucking around.
I honestly don't remember it. Wait.
You know what, cat?
Hold on.
Go. We need.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, I'm gonna end this video here, everybody. So I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. End it.
It is ended.
You haven't ended it yet.